I just want to talk about one thing that I just really feel that we really just need to eliminate from our vocabularies. If we work in sales, we just need to take this word, put it in the trash can, empty the trash into the dumpster, and then we just need to throw some gasoline in the dumpster and just have a dumpster fire. Does anyone want to unmute themselves and tell me what word I'm thinking of that we just need to just get out of our vocabulary if we just work in sales? Damn straight. There is nothing good that comes from the word just. And now I'm gonna need to hire a hypnotherapist or something because I said it 400 times in that introduction. But y'all, if you get nothing out of this week's coaching call, I want you to be cognizant of the fact of how much you're using the word just and when you're using it, right? Hey Ed, it's Matt Easton with Easton University. I just wanted to check and see if you guys had the contract. Hey, Ed, Matt Easton, Easton University, calling to see if you guys received the contract. One is skillful, one is precise, one is down to business, one is weak and pathetic. And I'm serious. When you just throw in the word just, you immediately seem weak, pathetic, and nagging.